Welcome to Softasia Tech. Today we are going to learn how to insert, delete or edit comments in Google Spreadsheet. So let's get started. Open your Google Spreadsheet, click on Insert, move down, click on Comment. You can use Short key Ctrl Alt M to insert comment. Let's click on Comment. Insert your comment on this box. Click on Comment button. Here comment is added successfully. Now if you want to edit this comment, just hover on it, click on menu, edit, edit your comment, click on save button. Comment is edited successfully. Now let's delete the comment. Hover the cell that contains comment, click on menu, delete, confirm delete. The comment is successfully deleted. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.